Hey, welcome back everybody. I want to quickly just kind of go over you and show you guys if you guys were in the market to actually do some books, print out from your pictures from your camera from trips. Actually, if you have a wedding, you do weddings or portraits or anything like that. I normally use Shutterfly, and they're pretty nice. I've used Shutterfly for quite a while. Their books and everything, they're, you know, depending on what you want to spend. See these covers, they got nice covers that you can, you know, do, and you know, it's actually going to last for quite a bit. As you can see, the pages here, they're, you know, you can choose premium pages. The stock of the pages on Shutterfly, you know, is very nice. As you can see here, you know, you can only see as much as you can in the, you know, pictures and things like this, but you know, it's got some great designs that you can choose. But as I was looking, you know, you can see, like, when you have pages, they kind of go inside here in the spine here, spleen, I mean, right here. So, you know, they kind of bury in there, and you know, they're very, it's good and everything. But I actually ran into Saal Digital. They're actually really nice. If you guys are really interested in getting some really customized books made, photo albums and things like this for weddings or any portraits or family outings and things like this that you want to do, I really highly recommend this. Try out Saal Digital. I'll put the links and everything down below here, so that way you guys can, you know, check out their website and you can download their app and check it out. They have really good stuff in there. This is one I just kind of like tested out, did different kind of pages. I downloaded the app. It actually can get a little on the complicated side, but it's well worth it because they also have really user-friendly, quick templates and things like this that you can use. As you can see that, you know, you have different sizes and colors, and you insert pages and everything. So let's quickly do a little quick look at this. This has a leather on here, the leather bound here. As you can see, it's well done here. The album itself, see how well it's done in here. It's nothing. I'll go ahead and peel this off so you guys can see. This is just excellent stuff here. It comes covered up so that way it doesn't get scratched over shipping. And actually, I want to talk about that shipping while I'm showing you guys this. Shipping is fairly quick. I uploaded the pictures, sent it in. I think within a week, I had this photo album already shipping to my house very quickly. As you can see here, it's got this nice plexiglass kind of cover in the front. You can choose, as you can see here, how thick that is, and the picture itself, it's back in here, but it shows right through here. So again, let's take a look as I was finishing up here. The leather, this is the leather finish here, so you can choose different colors or different formats or anything like this, as you, however you wish. But you can see the quality of it as well. Look how well that is done in here, and also all this way around. You can see how the quality, everything, nothing is loose or anything is you know, kind of like popping out like in some of the books that you can kind of see like on this. You can see the difference in the pages. Here you can see how well, look how well that is in there. It's well protected and well grabbed on there, and see how the finish, nice and smooth. Nothing, the corners are all even, and there's nothing that's really coming apart or anything like this. As you can see here, the little fold here, it's glued on, or however they do it. It's excellent. See how everything is just coming in here nice and straight, and same thing here in the top of every design here. Again, the edges are well done here, as you can see here. So let's kind of look at it really quickly also as well. The other thing I want to tell you guys is, again, this cover, it's a plexiglass. I really like this kind of, you can show off and leave it, let's say, in a table, and then, you know, kind of, it's a, you know, piece that somebody you can talk, you know, when you have family and friends over, something that, oh, let's check it out. And as you can see here, this is another very nice design, as this was a one solid page. But as you can see here, that's nice. It's not buried inside so you can actually see it. It almost looks like one whole page, which it is. So you don't actually lose. Look at that. See how well that is? And again, this is, I actually customized it just as a, I was actually just testing that. So I just threw a lot of pictures on this. I was able to actually, you see this gray color, how I was able to go from this light color all the way, how it kind of darkens up in here. I was done with the dropper, that I was able to do a grading. And what I did is actually I picked the color. I can't remember if I picked it. Actually, I think I picked it from here, and I just graded in there. And I did this, like, kind of give it that 3D effect, as you can see here in the pictures. So that's awesome. Again, this was all through the app that I downloaded. Again, I picked a green color from the background in here, so it can kind of blend in here. And this one I kind of did like a big picture. And again, see how this, if you ever run into pictures that are, you know, normally, let me see if I can find one, just kind of, I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. Let me see if I can find it here. I think I had a couple of them in here where it kind of like, I did page to page, but let's see. Just kind of wanted to show you, but you guys kind of understand what I'm talking about. See, because like right now, see how I'm folding this, and you got that crease. I mean, you can't, I mean, it's nice and all, as you can see here, but you know, when you have it on a table, look at the difference when you have something open up like that. That's you know, that's something in quality that if you're doing for your, you know, doing a wedding, especially if you're doing a wedding photo album for a wedding. I don't think I had on this one anything like that, but just, you know, just kind of like showing you guys again. See the quality is here. Actually, you see how the picture cut into this. I wanted to test it, so I put these like picture like this because I wanted to see how this would turn out to. And I gotta say, I'm really happy the way this turned out. Again, that shows the colors, and I was able to do some portraits and things like this. And you can see here portraits, and again, see this, it cuts right here in the middle, but this is excellent because you don't really lose this, and so you get a whole full page on here. And again, I did, this is actually like a full edge to edge prints, and some I did, you know, not so edges, and I actually changed on some of them. Let me see if I got yeah, look at these, how nice they all kind of look. You can choose, you know, like kind of the formats and things like this, which is awesome. And I actually, oh, another thing I want to show you guys too is, let me see, besides these, I wanted to show you guys, probably in the video you can't see it, but the stock they use on this is very, very thick. It's this thing's gonna last. You can hear it, how thick this is. I like that because it actually feels good when you're turning the pages. It just looks excellent. This is actually the glossy. I chose the glossy finish. They have matte finish, so you can choose matte if you like, or any other colors and things like this. See, I did several different formats, layouts. And again, I downloaded the app, and I did all this through the app and the computer. You put the pictures in there, and then it actually, as you do, is you choose, and then you, once you're all complete, you upload everything up, and it just syncs over to their servers, and it does its thing, and then you know, you just wait for your picture book to come back. So that's kind of wanted to kind of show you guys on there. Let's see, I thought I had let me see, I know I did some couple different backgrounds on some of these. Just there's so many. Yeah, you can actually put a picture in the back of it. This is a whole full-size picture. See how nice that came out, really nice. Sometimes I even feel like it's like 2 pages, but it's not. So I think I might have passed a couple of them, but I believe, I don't know if it was this one. Oh, here it is. See, on this one, I kind of like did the wood cabin, so it can kind of blend in this, since this was like a wood cabin picture. So I figure, you know what, and this is, again, you can pick this in the app itself, which is nice. See how it kind of like blends in there. I should have picked a couple more like in that style, but I think I only might have done one, if I remember. Yeah, I think I only did one, but I was just testing out the colors and the blending and the grading. So once again, if you got you guys that were all interested, I recommend Saal Digital. Again, go down to the links and give them a try. Check out the prices. They're not so bad for the prices or anything they have. It's very good pricing they have. So another thing, see how when you're opening this up, see how this folds in here. So that keeps all your pictures intact over the years. As I can see that, you know, that'll help out. So keep it from ripping or coming apart. So, you know, again, you kind of get for the nice quality. See how quickly and easily it closes, and you know, you can just kind of leave it there as a timepiece, your collection and things like that. So hope this video helps. If you guys are interested, go to Saal Digital. I highly recommend it. I from, you know, I know I may be ordering more of my albums through Saal Digital. I really like this the design and everything I can do. I can customize everything for quick little things. Maybe I'll use other ones, but even then, I think from now on, I'm sticking to Saal Digital for all my printing books and things. I really like their designs. Again, it was not that expensive. You know, sure, it can run up to a couple $100 or more depending on what you know, what your pictures you're adding and the book finish on it and things like that. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.